How can you use the Apple Watch or your iPhone to increase focus? Let me talk about some features which are available. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, there are some things which you can utilize so you can focus more on the thing at hand, right? So there is the focus mode, which is part of the iPhone and of course the Apple Watch as well. You can find it in the settings, then by going to the focus mode, and you can manage the individual like focus modes, right? So you have like the personal, work, fitness, whatever. And there you can manage which apps are allowed to deliver notifications, which are not allowed to do that, and also for the contacts and some other options. And this can be turned on the iPhone as well as on the Apple Watch as well, right? So you can see that when I'm inside of this like focus section, I can tap on the share across devices, meaning that if I turn it on one of my device, it will also apply to all of them, right? So if you have an Apple Watch or an iPad, once you enable it like this, it will apply to all of your devices. But if you specifically want to enable it on the watch only, you can grab the device, click the side button to access the control center, and click on the moon icon and select the focus mode you want to apply just for that Apple Watch. So that is something which you can do as well. And also part of the focus mode, you can set up the individual screens. So you can, for example, decide that when you enable the focus mode, only a select few home screens are going to be showing to you, right? Or the lock screen, but also the watch face, right? So you can pick a specific watch face which you want to be shown or used when you're using the focus mode as well. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.